Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can earn money and monetize your Android Studio application through Google Admobs. So the first thing you need to do is come in here and sign in. The first thing you're going to see here is this homepage over here. This is a new account I've made just for this application. So this will basically help you like earn money and get revenue per click on the application or whenever it shows up. It's not like YouTube revenue that you need to wait for like 1,000 users to be on your application. As soon as it's launched and published and users are on it, you'll start earning. So the basic thing you need to is go on application. I'll just create a new one. Yeah. You need to add an application. So once this comes here, you got to choose Android because this video is based on Android Studio, so obviously. If your app is listed on the App Store, you can just use that. They'll show you a different method, but this is for the ones that are not uploaded. Another thing is that publishing it on the App Store, Play Store requires a gas fee of I think $25. That's a one-time payment. The one thing you gotta do here is just name it. So my app's gonna be trial one over here. So you just do that, you add up. Everything's pretty like simple over here. So once it's done, you just gotta come here and you need to add an ad unit. So this means that a particular ad will be demonstrated to you with a specific PUC app ID. So usually the ads we see on applications are either an app open like this or something like a reward intersection. So this is something which we use to like Candy Crush or reward games like extra coins. So right now we're going to be focusing on the banner, which will cover like a portion of the screen while it's still showing your application throughout. So once you select that, I'm just going to name this trial for YouTube. You create this. Yeah, so this is the most important page which comes here, and these two links which are there, the banner implementation guide and the Google Mobile SDK is the guide. I've got these two open over here, but you guys don't need to open it because in the description I'll add a link of all the code and stuff you need to add. So the first thing you're gonna do is this is a freshly created project. You come here and the first thing you're gonna do is go into dependencies. So Gradle script over here, and then I'll just open these up over here. So just go on the drive document that I've shared, copy the first link, and then just yeah, add it here just so you know which one you've added. So as soon as you've done that, you need to sync now. So this will sync all the Gradle files up. Till that's being done, let's just go here. Yeah, so metadata over here. Copy the second thing. So let me just wait for this to be synced up first. Yeah, so as we can see, the Gradle is like successfully synced now. So what we have to do now is go into manifests, and where you see the application tab over here. What we're gonna do right now is just one down from here, and in the center you paste it over here. That's all you have to do for now. And the other thing you need to do is come here, users permission, internet, you close it, users permission, one sec. It's a standard line over there, yeah. Users permission, internet access network state. So without this, none of the, if your application requires internet, this is like the first thing you obviously do. So once this is done, manifest is done for now, and we'll come back later to it to edit the stuff. The Gradle over here is done as well, and this is done as well. So the next thing you need to do is copy the third thing over here till here, and you paste it right over here. You enter twice. Just do it thrice so there's like a even layer over here, and you know which one you've added right now. So this is the thing you get right now. You'll get like an error over here. Just Alt Enter, and that'll import the classes. Just yeah, Alt Enter, import class, Alt Enter, and import class. That's there. And the next step would be so once you're here, this is the fourth text that will be there. You need to copy this and go into your XML file. So if you can't find this opened up on your main tab over here, you just need to go into Res, layouts, and then you'll find it over here. The first thing you need to do over here is I don't need the layout over here right now, so I'll just do this and paste this over here. So what this will do is it will create like a app banner dimension over here. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do over here, because mine's a constraint layout, I can just change it over here like this. I want my ad to be over here in the bottom left. So this is what that thing will basically do. The error over here, this will just pop up right. This will go really, really soon. You don't need to do anything over here. So, and the next thing you gotta do over here is, so after that, what you need to do is you need to go on the document, come here. So now what you're gonna be working on is the main activity. For that, you need to come here and right under here, you need to press enter once, and then you'll create a property over here. So once you do that, just put alt enter so you import the classes. And then after that, come on the dock again. This line over here, this goes directly under here. You press enter here and then you press put over here. The error over here is going to be solved as soon as you just come here and then you import the classes. Alt enter, import class, add request. So this is fine over here. No error over here, it's fine. There's going to be one error showing up over here, and to solve that we need to, okay, after you've done that, you just need to go again. This is the sixth link over here. It's going to start from math set add listener, and it's going to end over here. You copy it, you copy all of that, you press enter once over here. It's going to be right under it, and you just need to load up here. So for these, you need to alt enter and it'll import the classes. That's what you need to do for all of them. Okay, it works here. So there's one error over here. I'll just need to restart the client or something because this requires internet permission. But as you can see in the manifest here, we've already given them permission for the internet. So that's just a bug, I think. Before the video comes out, I'll check it, of course. And on the screen, if you can see if it works right. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to go on the documents again. You're going to see the file like this over here. You copy paste it. What you're going to do is you're going to come here and right over here you're going to click enter twice and paste it over here. This because nothing, you just import the class. It's no big deal, see no errors now. So after this you're going to go to the doc again. Okay, so before going to the main Google file over here, you need to come. Okay, so another thing you gotta do is once you come here, you gotta change the add view to mat view. So once that's done, you just do it to these three over here. And once you do it to the three of them, you're gonna see an error here. You gotta click on the red arrow. You might see it. You just migrate add view over here to add view capital over there. Sprint declarations. You just go capital A over here. Yeah, see no errors now, so it's clear now. Okay, next thing you gotta do is go switch tabs again, and okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in the doc. The Admob account and ad we created earlier, we're gonna pop up over there. So this ID you can see over here. This goes in the XML file. You open the Android Studio, you come here. One second, my labs entry. I'm just gonna switch to code over here. Yeah. So you see the ad unit ID over here. You're just gonna copy paste this over here and switch this. So this is the ad that's registered with your Admob over here. And the other thing you're gonna do is the ad ID request over here. Yeah, you see this over here. This needs to be changed as well. So what you're gonna do is come here, and the one above over here is gonna be used for this. Just copy paste. You gotta be really careful with this, otherwise it's gonna be a run error code. You copy paste this, and the other thing is gonna be in the manifest file. You come down here, and over here you just select all of this again and you paste it. So this is your ads, banner apps and everything all loaded up. So to test this out, we're gonna go launch this right now. Okay, so once we're back, I've connected my phone over here. It's gonna run the app. Let's see. The Gradle and everything should work fine over here. I've just closed all the manifest files away because they were too much of a mess. Once it's here, we're just gonna wait till it load up. Okay, just so you guys can see my screen over here, I'm gonna screen record from my phone. I'm gonna start from here, and yeah, you can see the install going on over here. That means it's Gradle's like fully successfully built and there's no errors. It's not can see background. Yeah. That means that I've like done multiple projects on this phone already, so it's just asking me if I can install that. Yeah. So as you can see here, yeah, here my mouse is, and here you can see this is a test ad. This is a 350 by 320 by 50 pixels, and this is how my phone's gonna look. Yeah, so this is it. Please like and subscribe for here, and this is how you can monetize your application from Google Admobs.